Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today that how you can install two WhatsApp in one mobile. You can see that I have two number and that mobile has two SIM. Therefore, I have installed both on both number I have different WhatsApp, and sometimes it is difficult to install that one. There is not any hack or nothing difficult which you cannot do that one, but I'm going to show you how you are going to do. First, I have WhatsApp, and that WhatsApp, and you can see that my all messages and everything is here. And secondly, I have my that WhatsApp, and it is different version or different one. Okay, now you can see that there are different messages. However, you can also see that one WhatsApp is it has icon which is phone icon, and one icon is B. And here you can also see that we have WA, and it means that WhatsApp business, and it is simple WhatsApp. You can activate one number into WhatsApp business and in one number into your normal WhatsApp. Now, how you are going to do that? For example, I'm going to come here in Play Store, and we are going to write like WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp, and we are going to search for WhatsApp, and you can see that one is WhatsApp Messenger, and it is already installed, and I need to update that one. And another one is like that one, WhatsApp Business, and I have already installed that one as well, and it needs update as well. And therefore, if you want to install both WhatsApp in your single phone, which has two numbers or which has two SIM, and you want both number to be to have its own WhatsApp, then you can install like this one. Okay, if you like that video, just thumbs up, and if you have any problem or question, you can ask me anytime in comment box below. If you have not subscribed yet, just subscribe for more amazing video. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.